Israel Parliament on Nnamdi Kanu case. You will hear everything in this video and hear how the thing they go. My people, come see wetin they talk concerning Nnamdi Kanu court appeal. No be small thing, a lot of things going on. They say Nnamdi Kanu rejected the offer wey Tinubu government give am, demand for in total freedom. Now watch this video and see how it they go.
Hi, this is me, Rachel Mosul, again at our parliament, the Knesset. Today is 13th of May, 2026. Very soon I will leave. I've been here since morning. I had meetings with 3 Knesset members that are supporting us, will support us. Even one of them will come to our memorial, 30th May memorial ceremony, and I'm very happy about it. There is an achievement, but I can't now say it publicly because of certain reasons, but know that I'm on my best and on the right track.
The Court of Appeal in Abuja adjourned the case of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Biafra movement, after a 12-minute statement he made from the dock. The statement was not planned. The judges
Biafrans all over the world o say tikwana Maazị Nnamdi Kanu akpọtara ya na court of appeal. A wee si Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ọ ga-ekwe ka ahapụ ya ka o nwee ike hapụ Biafra. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asị mba. He insisted that na ọ bụrụ na ọ dị guilty ka ha hapụ ya ka the law take its cost, na ya nwa dị ready to stay in Sokoto Correctional Facility if he is guilty. But ọ bụrụ na ọ dịghị guilty, let the law release him and give him what he is demanding for. No onweghị ihe ọbụla o mee. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ihe a na court everywhere agbasa. M ga-ahapụ unu ka unu watch ya the video. Even Mike Anoid omego a post concerning this particular statement. Then Ted Cruz ekwukwana maka this particular statement mere nwanne nyaahụ bụ on the 12th of May 2026. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu gakwara n'iru wee sị that na he's not ready to come out unless menyere ya Biafra. After Ted Cruz kwuchara okwu gbasara ya na YouTube, another person kwukwara okwu gbasara this same thing, which is Mike Anoid. And then nwanne Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pụtara kwa wee tweet gbasara this same news. Ya sị, inform my people that I, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, leader of indigenous people of Biafra, am resolute in the leadership, leading from the forefront. I assure you I will not fail. Stand strong, be steadfast, and remain faithful. We will triumph over this adversity. This particular news now be on the 12th of May 2026. Oh, yeah, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu gara court. Imagonu, the lawyers nezozi the information. Anyway, before we continue, I will allow you to watch this video. Diki na watch ya na share ya. Don't get bored. A lot of information. Ihe niile mere na courtroom is in this place. So pay attention and watch the video. After watching, please do well to share your thoughts under the comment section and do well to follow us for more updates. Ndewo.
The Court of Appeal in Abuja adjourned the case of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Biafra movement, after a 12-minute statement he made from the dock. The statement was not planned. The judges allowed it after his counsel requested a brief address. He said, "Keep your freedom."
Okay, according to the words of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu that happened recently, let me borrow it. Keep your freedom. In other words, not freedom of Biafrans. No, he said, keep your freedom to yourself. If you think he is eager to leave the prison, the Sokoto Correctional Center, he said, unless they met his conditions, that is when he will agree to leave the prison. He made this statement in the Court of Appeal that sparked a massive reaction. That drama in that courtroom from the dock, my brother, is still making waves around the globe. Mike Arnold made a live video yesterday with it. Ted Cruz also made some comments over this matter. Keep your freedom. In bracket, he don't need your freedom. He needs the freedom of his people. He needs the freedom of the future generations of Biafrans. That is what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu stands for. Okay, let me not waste much time. Let us dive into the matter. As this my brother, Dr. Oluwaseun, the direct, should I call him an informant? Or also, sorry, the direct activist working with the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, special assistant to the wife of the president, which is Oluremi Tinubu. He is the one giving you this information. And as I said earlier, he had first-hand information. So let us listen to him and his analytics. And then we'll come back here to discuss more. If there's any room for interjection, I will quietly and gladly do. Please, bear with us. All this is to make sure we serve you better. Enjoy the rest of the news. And thanks for watching.
Do not trade it for anger. If I am guilty, let the law say so. If I am not, let the law set me free. But do not ban the country to prove a point. The courtroom went silent. The three-judge panel did not respond. They adjourned the case to June 15th, 2026, for ruling on a new motion filed by the defense. Nigeria was thrown into another wave of intense emotion and political tension after dramatic reports emerged that Nnamdi Kanu allegedly delivered a powerful courtroom statement saying, "Keep your freedom," during a highly emotional legal proceeding that immediately triggered massive reactions across the country. The shocking words quickly exploded across social media platforms, television discussions, online blogs, and live stream broadcasts as supporters and critics struggled to understand the deeper meaning behind the dramatic statement. Within minutes, hashtags connected to Nnamdi Kanu surged to the top of Nigerian trends, while emotional debates erupted across Facebook, TikTok, X, YouTube, and WhatsApp groups. Supporters described the courtroom moment as emotional, defiant, and unforgettable. Others, however, questioned the interpretation of the statement and urged Nigerians to avoid spreading misinformation or emotionally exaggerated narratives. Across several southeastern communities, conversations reportedly intensified as citizens gathered in homes, restaurants, markets, and viewing centers discussing the dramatic court update. Some supporters openly described the statement as a powerful rejection of political pressure, while others interpreted it as a symbol of frustration after years of legal battles and national controversy. The emotional atmosphere surrounding the case immediately intensified nationwide. Political commentators and legal observers began analyzing every possible meaning behind the phrase, "Keep your freedom." Some analysts suggested the statement may have reflected emotional exhaustion and deep frustration connected to the prolonged legal proceedings. Others argued that the words could carry broader political symbolism capable of reigniting emotional debates surrounding justice, identity, and national unity. Despite conflicting interpretations, one reality quickly became obvious across Nigeria. The dramatic courtroom statement had once again captured national attention in explosive fashion. Online broadcasts dedicated hours to discussing the emotional courtroom moment and its possible implications for the future of the controversial case. Several live stream channels reportedly attracted thousands of viewers eager to hear fresh updates and expert analysis regarding the unfolding situation. Comment sections quickly turned emotional as supporters and critics exchanged heated arguments over the significance of the alleged statement. For many Nigerians, the controversy surrounding Nnamdi Kanu remains one of the most emotionally charged political issues in recent national history. Years after his arrest and detention, every development connected to the case continues generating intense public reaction both inside and outside the country. This latest courtroom moment appears to have reopened deep emotional divisions among Nigerians with different opinions surrounding the issue. Reports circulating online claim that some supporters viewed the statement as evidence of courage and resistance under pressure. Others, however, argued that emotionally powerful political statements can easily deepen tension if interpreted recklessly. Throughout the afternoon, emotional voice notes, screenshots, reaction clips, and commentary videos flooded social media platforms as Nigerians debated the dramatic courtroom scene. Some individuals described the atmosphere as heartbreaking, while others called it politically explosive. The emotional divide between supporters and critics became increasingly visible with every passing hour. Several political analysts pointed out that Nnamdi Kanu's legal battles have evolved far beyond ordinary courtroom proceedings. According to observers, the case now represents broader emotional conversations connected to governance, regional identity, justice, public trust, and political frustration. That emotional complexity appears to explain why even a short courtroom statement can immediately dominate national headlines and social discussions. Meanwhile, security concerns quietly entered public conversations as analysts warned that emotionally charged political narratives can rapidly influence public mood during sensitive periods. Community leaders urged Nigerians to remain calm and avoid inflammatory rhetoric capable of worsening divisions across the country. Despite those appeals, emotional reactions continued spreading rapidly online. Reaction videos analyzing the dramatic courtroom statement gained massive attention within only a few hours. Some commentators claimed the emotional words could eventually strengthen support among followers, while others argued that public emotion should never interfere with legal institutions and constitutional processes. As evening approached, supporters reportedly gathered in online discussion spaces to monitor updates and share emotional reactions in real time. Several followers admitted feeling emotionally overwhelmed after hearing reports connected to the dramatic courtroom moments. Others, however, insisted the statement reflected the growing frustration surrounding years of legal uncertainty and political tension. The emotional atmosphere became even more intense after several blogs published unverified interpretations, claiming the statement carried deeper political warnings directed at powerful institutions. Those reports immediately triggered another wave of speculation across social media platforms. Critics accused online commentators of sensationalizing sensitive legal matters, while supporters argued that the public has the right to discuss emotionally powerful political events. Observers monitoring the unfolding controversy noted that the latest courtroom drama once again demonstrates the extraordinary emotional influence surrounding Nnamdi Kanu's case. Few political stories in Nigeria's recent history have maintained such sustained emotional engagement across multiple years and across different parts of society. Across Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Kanu, Kaduna, and several other cities, ordinary Nigerians reportedly debated the dramatic court statement inside buses, offices, campuses, markets, and family homes. The controversy once again dominated national conversation. Diaspora supporters from the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, and South Africa also joined the emotional debate online. Virtual live stream discussions reportedly continued late into the night as followers analyzed every word linked to the dramatic courtroom exchange. Some supporters openly described the statement as one of the most emotional moments surrounding the case in recent months. Others warned against allowing emotion to replace caution and responsible communication. Political commentators also questioned what impact the latest controversy could eventually have on broader national discussions surrounding reconciliation, dialogue, and political stability. Some analysts argue that the strong emotional reactions reflect deeper unresolved tensions affecting different sections of Nigerian society. Others maintained that emotionally powerful courtroom moments should not overshadow legal facts and judicial procedure. The emotional intensity surrounding the story, however, showed no sign of slowing down. As nighttime discussions continued, several media personalities urged Nigerians to prioritize peace, patience, and responsible communication during such emotionally sensitive moments. Analysts warned that misinformation often spreads fastest when national emotions are already elevated by suspense and political uncertainty. That pattern appeared increasingly visible as conflicting rumors and interpretations continued flooding social media throughout the night. Supporters repeatedly posted emotional messages expressing solidarity, hope, and determination despite the continuing legal controversy. Others admitted feeling emotionally exhausted by the endless cycle of tension, suspense, and uncertainty surrounding the case. Yet despite the emotional fatigue, millions remained deeply invested in every development connected to the courtroom drama. The atmosphere became even more dramatic after some commentators suggested the statement could eventually influence future political conversations surrounding the broader issue. Those claims intensified national curiosity even further. Some observers argued that the growing emotional attention surrounding the case reflects wider frustrations existing within the country's political climate. Others dismissed such interpretations as emotionally exaggerated speculation. Still, the reactions continued spreading rapidly across the nation. As midnight approached, hashtags linked to Nnamdi Kanu and the dramatic courtroom statement continued dominating online trends. Thousands of viewers remained active inside live stream broadcasts, discussing every possible meaning connected to the phrase, "Keep your freedom." The suspense and emotional energy surrounding the controversy appeared impossible to ignore. For many supporters, the courtroom statement represented a powerful emotional moment capable of symbolizing resistance, frustration, and personal conviction. For critics, the growing reaction represented another example of emotionally charged political storytelling, capable of increasing national tension. As Nigeria continues watching the unfolding legal drama, one undeniable truth has once again emerged across the country. The case surrounding Nnamdi Kanu remains one of the most emotionally powerful, politically sensitive, and nationally divisive stories in modern Nigerian history. Whether the dramatic courtroom statement eventually becomes remembered as a historic political moment or simply another chapter in the country's ongoing cycle of political suspense, the emotional impact has already shaken conversations across Nigeria in extraordinary fashion. For now, millions of Nigerians remain trapped between hope, fear, emotion, uncertainty, and endless debate as the latest courtroom controversy continues dominating headlines and national discussions across the country. As reactions to the dramatic courtroom statement continued spreading across Nigeria, the emotional atmosphere reportedly became even more intense as supporters and critics struggled to interpret the deeper meaning behind the explosive phrase allegedly spoken by Nnamdi Kanu. Throughout the night, social media platforms remained flooded with emotional messages, reaction videos, and heated debates connected to the controversial courtroom moment. Some supporters described the statement as a powerful symbol of resistance and emotional strength in the face of prolonged legal battles. Others, however, insisted that emotionally charged political narratives can become dangerous when facts are mixed with speculation and exaggerated interpretations. Despite those warnings, the dramatic statement continued dominating national conversation hour after hour. Several live stream channels reportedly attracted enormous audiences as viewers gathered online, waiting for fresh updates and further analysis surrounding the unfolding controversy. The emotional tension surrounding the case appeared impossible to ignore. Across southeastern communities, reports suggested that groups of supporters gathered late into the night, discussing the emotional courtroom moment and what it could eventually mean for the future of the case. Some individuals openly expressed frustration over years of uncertainty and political controversy surrounding the legal battle. Others prayed for peace, justice, and a resolution capable of reducing tension across the country. The atmosphere constantly shifted between hope, fear, anger, and emotional exhaustion. Political analysts monitoring the unfolding reactions noted that emotionally powerful courtroom statements often become symbolic beyond their literal meaning. According to several commentators, the phrase "keep your freedom" quickly evolved from a courtroom remark into a national emotional discussion involving identity, justice, political frustration, and public perception. That emotional transformation appeared clearly visible across online debates, where supporters and critics passionately defended conflicting interpretations of the statement. Meanwhile, some legal commentators emphasized that emotional public reactions should not overshadow the formal legal processes surrounding the case. Others, however, acknowledged that the powerful emotional investment connected to the controversy makes intense public reaction almost unavoidable whenever dramatic developments emerge. The emotional divide surrounding the issue became increasingly visible across social media platforms. Supporters repeatedly shared emotional posts expressing admiration, solidarity, and hope, despite the continuing uncertainty surrounding the case. Critics, meanwhile, accused online commentators of turning a sensitive legal matter into emotionally charged political entertainment. The arguments quickly intensified throughout the evening. Several online discussion forums reportedly became so heated that moderators struggled to maintain control over the conversations. At the same time, community leaders and public figures urged Nigerians to remain calm and avoid inflammatory rhetoric capable of worsening national tension. They warned that emotionally explosive political discussions can easily deepen divisions if responsible communication is ignored. Despite those appeals, reaction videos and commentary clips continued spreading rapidly across TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and X. Some content creators spent hours analyzing the emotional tone of the courtroom statement, while others focused on possible political implications connected to the controversy. Millions of Nigerians reportedly followed the unfolding drama with extraordinary attention. Observers pointed out that few political stories in Nigeria's recent history have maintained such consistent emotional influence over public conversation. Years after the beginning of the legal controversy surrounding Nnamdi Kanu, even short courtroom remarks continue generating nationwide reactions capable of dominating headlines and social discussions within minutes. That emotional influence once again became impossible to ignore as the latest courtroom controversy spread across the country. Diaspora supporters also joined the debate in massive numbers. Virtual live stream meetings involving Nigerians living abroad reportedly continued throughout the night as followers from the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, and South Africa shared emotional reactions and interpretations concerning the dramatic statement. Many participants described the atmosphere as emotionally overwhelming and deeply personal. Some supporters argued that the statement reflected years of frustration, sacrifice, and emotional endurance. Others, however, warned against allowing emotion to replace careful judgment and responsible discussion. As midnight passed, hashtags connected to the courtroom statement continued dominating online trends across Nigeria. Thousands of viewers remained active inside live stream broadcasts, discussing every possible meaning connected to the phrase. The suspense and emotional intensity surrounding the controversy appeared to grow stronger rather than weaker. Political commentators also questioned whether the latest courtroom drama could eventually influence broader conversations surrounding political reconciliation, regional tensions, and national dialogue. Some analysts argued that the continuing emotional reactions reveal deeper frustrations existing within different parts of Nigerian society. Others maintained that the case should remain strictly within legal and constitutional boundaries, regardless of emotional public pressure. Still, the emotional energy surrounding the story continued expanding nationwide. Inside buses, marketplaces, restaurants, campuses, offices, and family homes across Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Kanu, Kaduna, and several other cities, Nigerians reportedly debated the dramatic courtroom moment deep into the night. The controversy had once again transformed into a national emotional storm. Observers monitoring the situation noted that emotionally powerful political controversies often become larger than the individuals directly involved. According to analysts, the reactions surrounding the latest courtroom statement reflect broader national anxieties connected to justice, governance, trust, and political identity. That emotional complexity helps explain why millions of Nigerians continue reacting so passionately to developments connected to the case. Meanwhile, several media personalities urged audiences to remain patient while waiting for official clarification regarding some of the more dramatic interpretations spreading online. Analysts warned that misinformation tends to spread rapidly during emotionally sensitive moments when public attention is already highly charged. That warning appeared increasingly relevant as conflicting claims and rumors continued circulating across multiple platforms throughout the night. Supporters continued posting emotional messages calling for peace, dialogue, and fair treatment under the law. Others admitted feeling emotionally exhausted after years of suspense and political uncertainty surrounding the controversy. Yet, despite the emotional fatigue, public interest remained remarkably intense. As dawn slowly approached, many Nigerians remained awake, following updates and reacting emotionally to every new rumor connected to the courtroom drama. Some supporters believe the dramatic statement could eventually become remembered as a defining political moment within the long-running controversy. Others feared that growing emotional expectations could once again lead to disappointment if no major legal breakthrough follows. Still, one undeniable reality had become impossible to ignore across Nigeria. The latest courtroom statement involving Nnamdi Kanu had once again plunged the country into another emotionally charged moment filled with suspense, controversy, uncertainty, and powerful national debate. This platform is not just about headlines. It is about keeping Nigerians informed, connected, and aware during some of the most emotional and important moments facing our nation today. So if you truly appreciate the work we are doing here, please do not leave without subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification.
Okay, my people, the message done there too long already, so we don't have much time to read any comments. Drop your own comments or what you think behind this matter at the comment section of this video. Oh yeah?
Guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in comment section. Send your wish for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In total freedom is where we stand.